Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. Today we're in the kitchen and I'm deep cleaning my Vitamix container. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dorsey and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Just by pressing the subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our family. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you're one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. Now let's get started in cleaning this Vitamix. In December, I purchased this Vitamix at Costco as a Christmas gift for my daughter. When we got home and unboxed it at Christmas Day, we realized that they were actually the same as the one that I've had for a number of years. And so the only difference was the container was much nicer, the new one. The old one really looked like it needed to be cleaned or deep cleaned. So what I did was I got some baking soda, made a little bit of paste with the baking soda. With the toothbrush, cleaned the inside of the Vitamix. So that didn't do a good job as I thought it should. And so what I got was some white vinegar, about 3 cups or so, and poured inside and turned for about 8 minutes. It was very hot at the end and we let it cool for a little while. And this is what the Vitamix actually looked like after it was cleaned. So this is just my cleaning tip for you, to use a little bit of baking soda or white vinegar to clean your Vitamix or any blender that you have. It makes a big difference. So you can still tell the difference with the Vitamix containers here. The new one is absolutely beautiful, while the old one looks so much nicer. So I just wanted to share that tip with you of how to clean your Vitamix or any such container that you have that needs to be, looks like it's getting a little bit old and just needs a little refresh. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. And by the way, this is a special invitation for you to come back on Friday and every Friday thereafter during the month of January as I declutter, clean, and organize bathrooms in our home. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.